Hello. My name is John. What's your name? How are you today? I'm feeling great. Excuse me, can you help me find the nearest bus stop? What time does the movie start? I like pizza and pasta. What's your favorite food? Where are you from? I'm from Canada. What do you do for a living? It's a beautiful day today, isn't it? I'm learning English. Can you speak slowly, please? Could you please repeat that? I didn't understand. Can you recommend a good book to read? Let's meet at the coffee shop tomorrow afternoon. How was your weekend? Did you do anything fun? I love listening to music. What kind of music do you like? What are your hobbies and interests? My favorite color is blue. What about you? Do you have any pets? I have a cat named Max. Can I have the menu, please? I'd like to order a burger. What's the weather like today? Is it going to rain? I'm planning to travel to northern areas someday. How about you? How long have you been learning English? I just started a few months ago. What did you do last weekend? I went hiking with my friends. Could you tell me how to get to the nearest supermarket? My favorite season is summer. What's yours? What's your dream job or career? I love traveling. Have you been to any exciting places recently? What are your plans for the upcoming holiday? I'm studying English because I want to travel and meet people from different countries. Can you teach me how to say this phrase in your language? I'm a student. What about you? Are you working? Let's practice English together. It will be fun. I find listening to podcasts in English helpful for improving my language skills. Do you have any tips for memorizing new English words? My favorite sport is soccer. What's your favorite sport? I had a delicious meal at the new restaurant in town. You should try it. What do you like to do in your free time? I'm excited about the upcoming concert. Are you going to? Can you recommend any good English language learning apps? How do you usually spend your weekends? I enjoy reading books. What's the last book you read? What languages do you speak besides English? Let's meet at the park for a picnic on Saturday. What do you think? I'm studying English to pursue higher education abroad. What are your language goals? I had a great time at the concert last night. Have you been to any concerts recently? Can you share some tips for improving pronunciation in English? What's your favorite place to visit in your hometown? I like to watch documentaries. What topics interest you? Do you have any siblings? I have a younger sister and an older brother. I'm learning English for business purposes. Why are you learning it? What's the most challenging aspect of learning English for you? I practiced speaking English with a language partner yesterday. It was helpful. Let's practice some common phrases used in everyday conversations. I need to work on my grammar skills. How do you improve your grammar? Have you ever traveled abroad? Where did you go? Can you recommend any English-speaking TV shows or movies? Let's have a mock job interview in English to practice professional communication. I'm attending an English language course. Have you taken any language courses before? What are your favorite English learning resources? I'm trying to improve my English writing skills. Do you have any writing tips? Let's talk about our favorite hobbies. What do you enjoy doing in your free time? How do you handle stress? I like to meditate to relax. I recently visited a museum and found it fascinating. Do you enjoy visiting museums? What do you think is the best way to learn new vocabulary? I'm thinking about taking an English proficiency test soon. Have you taken one before? Let's discuss a recent news article or current events topic in English. I find listening to English songs helpful for language practice. Do you have any favorite songs? I'm learning English to communicate with international friends. How about you? Can you recommend any English-speaking YouTube channels for language learners? Let's practice giving short presentations on a topic of your choice. I enjoy cooking. What's your favorite dish to cook? Let's play a word association game to expand our vocabulary. I'm studying English for an upcoming trip. Have you traveled abroad recently? I often read English news articles to stay updated on current affairs. How do you stay informed? Can you share any tips for improving listening comprehension in English? I find language learning apps helpful for practicing English on the go. Have you tried any? Let's talk about our favorite books or authors. What book are you currently reading? How do you feel about public speaking? I find it challenging but want to improve. I like to watch travel vlogs to learn about different cultures. What kind of videos do you enjoy watching? I practiced tongue twisters to improve my pronunciation. Want to try some together? Let's discuss our favorite childhood memories or experiences. Can you share any tips for overcoming language barriers when traveling abroad? I've been using language learning apps to practice speaking with chatbots. Have you tried them? Let's play a game of 20 questions to guess each other's favorite things. I'm interested in learning idioms and expressions in English. Do you know any interesting ones? Let's create short dialogues based on real-life situations, such as ordering food or asking for directions. I find it helpful to set language learning goals. What are your short-term and long-term language goals? I enjoy watching TED Talks to listen to engaging speeches in English. Have you seen any inspiring talks? Let's discuss the benefits of learning multiple languages and how it can enhance our cognitive abilities. I joined an online English speaking community. Would you like me to invite you? I'm practicing my English writing by journaling about my daily experiences. How do you practice writing? Let's describe our favorite places to travel to and why they are special to us. Let's talk about our dream careers and how improving English can help achieve them. I'm interested in learning about different English accents. Do you have a favorite accent or dialect? Let's practice giving compliments to each other. You have a great smile. I'm trying to improve my pronunciation. Can you correct me if I make any mistakes? Let's discuss our favorite movies and recommend some to each other. Let's share some interesting facts or trivia about our countries or cultures. I practice mindfulness to stay focused and reduce language learning stress. How do you stay motivated? Let's have a storytelling session where we take turns creating a story together. I'm curious about the slang and informal expressions used in English. Can you teach me some?